Jeez. Oh, stiff clamps. The ESCs are huge as well.
Yep. Yeah, I've taken some design cues from the P100 Pro in terms of the arms and stuff, but just
DJI had it really.
they have.
Really excited about the LiDAR.
Yeah, it's a good addition, real good addition. Yeah.
Hopefully get it approved soon so we can get it tested in the field ASAP.
Yeah.
It's not as heavy as I thought it was.
Right. What's the capacity of this?
It's 41,000 milliamps, so it's 11,000 more than the
11,000 more than a standard. Yeah. That's pretty good. I'm gonna chuck that in. Did you notice the size of the bigger terminal?
Yes. Just shot of that before we chuck it in.
13.7 millimeters wide. That is ridiculous.
It's insane.
Almost 14 mil contact.
Do you notice what it does?
No. Where's the
Pull
latch?
on it
Oh,
and it unlatches.
stop it. So just pull it.
You just pull it out.
Oh, that is brilliant. That is great engineering.
That's great.
No two-handed.
Nah.
Pull the battery, push the clip. Yeah. So easy. It's a little bit bigger. Yep. Check out the comparison of the terminals.
Oh man, that's insane.
It's huge, eh? So you think of the service area on those connectors versus those,
Yeah.
massive difference. But yeah. This thing. Yeah.
Downwards facing camera.
Oh, mind you, Top Gun is still bigger, aren't they?
Yeah. They kind of look like a four-wheel drive guy, just.
Oh, gone light grey. Very similar. Different ports at the top, USB-A and HDMI. So they've shifted those plugs. So look at the top, yeah, they've shifted some of the plugs. Still got the same in the back, add your battery.
Nice. Really similar.
Yeah.
And then the micro SD and USB-Cs on the bottom feels that.
Yeah. Crack one of those out and see how it goes in.
The dual induction for the air cool of the motors as well. Just looks cool.
You could do one square, but
I've done two.
they've done two.
Yeah.